And I mean, 40% rain. I mean, that's only 40%. It's still 60% not rain. So, you know, there's no reason not to come out here and have coffee and walk around. Ersity of Was trail condition report. Wednesday, June 8th, 2022. I'm just out here after a morning doctor's appointment and time in the office, walking around getting the miles. You know, seems like at some point we all got talked into the idea that just because it's bad weather means it's going to be a bad time. And honestly, that's just not the case. In fact, some of my most memorable times outside and on the trail have been when the weather conditions weren't that great. Um, Honestly, there's fewer people. And if nothing else, it gives you a change of perspective on a place that may have become familiar. So, as long as it's not actually dangerous, you've checked the conditions and you're prepared, I encourage you to go out, challenge yourself, and push your limits a little bit beyond your comfort zone. Meanwhile, let's see what kind of trouble I can get into. Not every day is good, but there's good in every day. And if you can't find it, it's up to you to make it. Good news is, all it takes is what you've already got. It's up to you to put it to use.